All right, so today we are going to see the installation part of Claude Code. All right, so let's see the prerequisites which is required in order to install Claude Code on your system and the different dependencies that is required before actually working with Claude Code. All right, so let's begin. So first of all, you would need Git for Windows. You need to have Git installed and a proper Git um, credential as well as a Git account. Then you need to have Anthropic account. That means a account created with Anthropic, where you can get an kind of you also have access to in future to the Anthropic API keys if you create it for your use case. And then you also need to have administrator rights, okay, on your computer. Let's move ahead. All right. Then we come on to the next part, that is opening up the PowerShell as an administrator, running the installer. That means we run this command to install Claude Code on our machine. Then we restart the PowerShell, and at the end, to verify whether Claude has been installed properly or not, we make use of the command that is Claude space dash dash version to know what version of Claude has been installed. All right. So at the end of the installation, you see something like this Claude Code version, this. Okay. Let's see this in actual practice. And this is again the command that we are going to give. Uh, let's try it with this, this command. Since I already have Claude Code installed on my machine, I'm not pretty sure how this is actually going to work. So kindly bear with me. I'm going to check. Okay. So let's say, for example, I have this PowerShell command like IRM https colon plot.ai. Let me try typing this command. Okay. Okay. IRM https. Okay. Let's see. However, I have Claude installed. Let's see something like let's try running this command Claude version. Okay. All right. So there you see, you should get something like Claude and a version for this, which indicates that you have Claude's installed successfully on your machine. But before that, you need to do all these things like opening the PowerShell as administrator and running this command. I'm not sure whether I can copy this command or not. Let me type in this IRM https. All right. Then we have Claude.ai. Let's see what I'm going to get. Slash install dot ps1 one iex. Okay, iex. Let's try running this command. Since I already have Claude Code installed on my system, I'm not sure whether it is going to reinstall or what. So just please bear with me for a while. Let's see what it is going to do. Okay, it is doing some operations. I'm not seeing any. Uh, okay, setting up Claude Code, installing Claude Code native build latest. So it is doing something that is, I think it is it might be reinstalling the latest version of Claude Code or uh, might be installing something related to or some packages related to Claude Code. So please bear with me. There we go. So Claude Code successfully installed. The version is this. Okay, so we have upgraded the version from 2147 to 2149, and this is installed somewhere here in the local directory, local bin directory, and it says the installation is complete. So now if I do something like again Claude version, Let's see. All right. So now we are seeing this updated version 2.149 instead of 47. So that is all for today. Uh, in this video, I have covered up the installation part of Claude Code. And in the next video, we'll be seeing the live examples of how Claude Code actually helps the developer in a day-to-day on a day-to-day basis with their regular tasks that they are performing. So see you then. Thank you very much for now. Bye. Take care.